Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can hide shows or how you can delete shows from continue watching. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be Netflix, and when you're gonna be here, you wanna simply click on the three dots next to the information on continue watching. And what I recommend is click not for me and also remove from row. Remove this title from continue watching, yes. And then it's going to automatically remove. As you can see, it's not available here. The second way what you can do is to just episode info, and you can rate it and dislike it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.